Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you create track on your ClickUp. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app to create track or add track on your app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on track down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just select here if you want to add period here or spot in here or flanks here can you say or pin here in sleep quality. So here can you select, so we just select, I'm going to click to any so for this, and you click here on save. When you click here on save, it's going to take you to this here, and you click here on set a reminder. So then it's going to get you a reminder for tracking this on your Clay app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,